how to create new Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a new Instagram account using the app. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, if you're already logged in, then you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings and activity page, simply scroll down to the bottom, and there you simply have to tap on log out, or you can simply log out of all the accounts. And now here, once you have logged out of all the accounts, then you will be prompted to the login page. And now here, once you see the interface like this, then you simply have to tap on create new account button. And after that, on the next page, Instagram will ask you for your phone number or your email address. So here, for this video, I'll be going with an email address. So simply enter the email address, and after that you simply have to tap on next. And now after that, on the next page, you simply have to create a password for your account. So here, simply create a strong password for your account, and after that you can simply tap on next. And after that, you simply have to set the date of your birth. So simply select the date of your birth, and once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on set, and after that simply tap on next as well. And once you're done with it, Instagram will ask you to create your name. So simply create a name for your Instagram profile. And now here, once you're done with it, you simply have to tap on next. And now here, on the next page, you simply have to tap on I agree by agreeing to the Instagram terms and policies. And after that, you simply have to set up your profile. So here, I will skip the Instagram profile picture, and once you do that, you can simply tap on next, next, and here you can even skip the process if you'd like. And once you're done with it, and here, as you can see, your Instagram profile has been created. And that's it. That's how you can create a new Instagram account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.